Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS5 to your PS Portal. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 console is updated to its latest software version. You will also need your PS Portal device, a stable Wi-Fi network, and your PlayStation Network account details. Having these ready makes the connection process quick and straightforward. This foundation is crucial for an optimal remote play experience. Before connecting, power on your PlayStation 5 and head into its system settings. From there, select System, then Remote Play, and ensure Enable Remote Play is toggled on. It is also vital that your PlayStation 5 is either fully on or in rest mode with internet connectivity enabled for the portal to find it. This setup on your console is a one-time step. Now, power on your brand new PlayStation Portal. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect it to your home's Wi-Fi network. Make sure to use a strong connection, preferably a 5 GHz band, for the best performance. Then, sign in using the identical PlayStation Network account you use on your PlayStation 5. The portal will then automatically start scanning for your console. Once your PS Portal finishes its search, it will display any PlayStation 5 consoles it finds connected to your account. Simply select your specific PlayStation 5 from this list on the portal's screen. Within a few seconds, the connection will establish, and your PlayStation 5's home screen will instantly appear on your portal. You are now fully connected and ready to enjoy your games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.